Algorand value equivalent to 35F104 rands a coin. The present cost range 349.18 35N754. The earlier day close 35E533. The change was 0.49, 121%. Backwards rate ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 3.87 rands. Excessive cost 380.337, while low cost 3.87. I found the middle value of cost 329.85. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 315.8029. Change for September 16%. Algorand estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 358.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 444.71, while low cost 358.29. They found the middle value of cost 3.9423. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.562. Change for October 16%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 4.562 rands. Exorbitant cost 45F183, while low cost 3.9271. They found the middle value of cost 420.61. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 422.27. Change for November 16%. Algorand figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 4.2027 rands. Excessive cost 52412, while low cost 422.27. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 460.462. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 489.83. Change for December 16%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 480.983 rands. Excessive cost 607.97, while low cost 489.83. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 580.896. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 568.20. Change for January 16%. Algorand conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 558.20 rands. Excessive cost 640.457, while low cost 560.23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 519.385. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 624. Change for February 6%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at 6 to 4 rands. Excessive cost 740.769, while low cost 6 to 4. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.282. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.878. Change for spring 16%. Algorand gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 6.878 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.5N966, while low cost 6.26. They found the middle value of cost 707.17. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 7.96. Change for April 16%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 7.96 rands. Excessive cost 7.96, while low cost 560.597. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.4862. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.57. Change for May 14.3%. Algorand conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at 6.57 rands. Excessive cost 6.57, while low cost 5.34. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 516.546. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 540.29. Change for June 11.1%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 540.29 rands. Excessive cost 588.28, while low cost 5.130. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.767. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 549.79. Change for July 16%. Algorand figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 549.79 rands. Excessive cost 519.769, while low cost 519.49. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 515.639. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 558.59. Change for August 16%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 558.859 rands. Exorbitant cost 580,431, while low cost 50785. The found the middle value of cost 549.21. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 540,608. Change for September 2%. Algorand estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 540,608 rands. Exorbitant cost 60475, while low cost 520,563. The found the middle value of cost 56,041. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 565,019. Change for October 35%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 565,19 rands. Exorbitant cost 70151, while low cost 565,19. The found the middle value of cost 6.188. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 655,62. Change for November 16%. Algorand gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 650,562 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.0274, while low cost 619.48. The found the middle value of cost 661,349. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 616,611. Change for December 16%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 616,611 rands. Excessive cost 7.4014, while low cost 6.9040. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 617,411. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 617,677. Change for January 16%. Algorand conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 617,677 rands. Excessive cost 78,082, while low cost 617,677. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.603. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.8074. Change for February 7.8%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 7.974 rands. Exorbitant cost 90576, while low cost 7.9074. The found the middle value of cost 80294. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 840,650. Change for spring 16%. Algorand estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 840,650 rands. Exorbitant cost 840,650, while low cost 680,811. The found the middle value of cost 780.25. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 72990. Change for April 12.6%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost